Today, I want to share some tips and get you started if you are considering becoming a site leader. Consider what connections you already have with organizations in your area. Perhaps there's something that you are passionate about that you want to share with others. In my own experience, I had a prior connection with a food bank that I had worked with before. Consider the type of work that you want to do. Perhaps you want to work with a specific population, or focus on a project outdoors, or maybe you want to work with animals. Whatever it is, use these keywords to search for opportunities in organizations in your area. One approach could be to ask people in your family, your friends, or your community what organizations they have connections with. There are also websites like volunteermatch.org or your state center for nonprofits that you can use to search for opportunities. Once you find one or many, you can contact the organization using their preferred method. Being a site leader means that you are the logistic point of contact for the service project you put together, and you will learn about all of the resources and requirements necessary to complete this work. If you're a natural leader or seeking that leadership opportunity, this is a great way to grow or flex those leadership muscles.